Who says spacious country living comes at the cost of a convenient location? At Copper Pond by McKee Homes, you have the best of all worlds. Located just off US 401 near Fuquay Varina, Copper Pond is far enough from the hustle and bustle to keep its country feel, yet is readily accessible to work and big city attractions in Raleigh and the Research Triangle area. With large home sites giving the feeling of an open country neighborhood, we're still close to charming downtown Fuquay Varina, with shops, restaurants, museums, and festivals. Downtown Raleigh is the home of the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences, one of the largest natural history museums in the Southeast. Relax and enjoy the quiet country lifestyle nestled in the trees of Copper Pond, with upscale homes starting in the mid-300s.
Homes in our Copper Pond community are beautifully designed with luxurious features like laminate flooring in the first floor main living areas and tile flooring and tiled shower in the master bathroom. We also include designer cabinet hardware, high-end plumbing and lighting packages, and tile backsplashes. You can customize your new home for your lifestyle with valuable add-ons like a sunroom, closed-in back porch, and finished third floor for even more living or guest space.
Choose from 8 floor plans in our Craftsman collection from about 2,200 to about 3,700 square feet, with options to upgrade to our European-style elevations. McKee Homes are built with your lifestyle in mind, with open layouts and designer kitchens. Breezy floor plans flow from room to room. Our energy-efficient homes emphasize deluxe features and upgraded recessed lighting. On the exterior, we feature painted cement board siding, 30-year architectural shingles, and the Taexx built-in pest control system.
Historic Fuquay Varina is old-fashioned southern town living at its finest, with so many annual attractions and things to do unique to the local culture. Some of these include the popular 4th of July fireworks, sights and sounds of the celebrated Fuquay Varina Festival, barbecue blues and brews, and the Haunted Trail in October.
You'll love inviting family and friends to the Triangle area. Along with the urban scene, there's plenty of parkland, trails, and history nearby. Beaches and battlefields are an easy day trip away. With beautiful homes from our Autograph series, spacious lots, and a rustic country feel, come home to southern charm at Copper Pond. Great place, great life, McKee Homes.